these here are probably the hardest ones to do. Now, I drew the 3 triangles out because I know they're either going to be like 30, 60s, or 45s on these. And here's the way I would kind of do this. You have to know that tangent is opposite over adjacent. Well, if I have a square root of 3 and I just have one number, that means the ratio is automatically what? It's like square root of 3 over 1. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. So what I'm looking at, which of those triangles has opposite over adjacent? Well, it's that one, right? So that means the answer to the question is it's 60 degrees. It's 60 degrees. So I'm going to say this here. For sine, I know it's opposite over hypotenuse, but I also know this. What is the only one of these triangles that has a square root of 2 in it? Is the what? 45. So I know the answer is going to be 45 because it's the only one with a what? 45 with a square root of 2. And technically it's 1 over square root of 2, but when you rationalize it becomes what you see right there. Now the next one, the cosine, is adjacent over hypotenuse. So where's the adjacent 1 and the hypotenuse 2? That also occurs at what? 60. So it makes the answer 60. And then to do tangent, it's opposite over adjacent. Remember I said if you only have one number, put it over 1. So where's the opposite one and the adjacent one? At what? 45. So I know that answer then is 45 degrees. The other thing you can do is you can get all these if you go to your calculator. And I'm going to do this real quick here. If you go to the calculator and you do this, you can, I'm just going to work one of them. I can go second tangent, because it's a tangent, right? And put this in here. Then put the what? Put the second, put the square root of 3 and hit enter. Oh, guess what? I forgot to check. What's my mode in? Radians. It needs to be in what? Degrees. So now I'm going to do the whole thing what? Over again, which is kind of a good thing that happened. That people know that this can happen, right? I knew that answer wasn't right. That's how come I knew it was in radians. So once again, I'm going to go second tangent, second square root 3, enter. Oh, you know what? When I went down there, what did I forget to do? I forgot to hit what? Enter to set it. So, third time's a charm. Second tangent, second square root, 3, enter. 60. So, it's really easy to what? You can do that on all 4 of those. It's not the way that we prefer, but we definitely want a what? Correct answer. And you could do that for each of those trig functions, whatever it was for that. Okay? That might be more helpful.